Hi, I'm Dan, Head of Electrical and Mechanical for Sheldon Interiors, and we've just installed a new solar system on our factory. This solar installation consists of 99 kilowatts of solar panels, and we've also put in a 40 kilowatt hour battery storage system as well. During peak energy consumption periods for the factory, 65 to 70% of our power consumption is being generated from our solar panels. And then if we look at the afternoon when the power consumption for the factory is a lot less, we're running completely off grid. And as well as the energy that we're generating from our solar and battery system, any consumption that we pull from the grid, we're actually getting through green power, which is all renewable energy. So we're really lucky at Sheldon because we have so many internal divisions that we are able to influence our sustainability throughout various stages of the project. So leading through from sales into design, and then with our on-site construction, our manufacturing facility, everyone has their role to play in contributing to our sustainability targets. And now that we have this solar system installed, it's got a manufacturing team really excited about thinking about the future of electric. So we're looking at any sort of machines and things that we can get that are electric, so that when the factory's in a low consumption period, we can be utilising the solar panels to charge batteries that we can then use throughout the day. Yeah, so installing a solar system and battery storage on our factory was a no-brainer for us. Being able to bring our energy consumption down to 60 to 70% self-generated really worked towards our broader sustainability targets and initiatives.